What is up guys, welcome back to Lunatix Studio where we talk about all things tech. I am an avid fan of gaming and a gamer myself, and I am also a video editor. So naghahanap ako ng monitor that will both fit my interest. And this monitor right here is what piqued my interest. Today we are taking an in-depth look at the LG Ultragear 27-inch IPS 165Hz monitor. This monitor promises immersive visuals, lightning-fast refresh rates, and exceptional performance for gamers. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Let's talk about the size. With a 27-inch display, you have an ample screen, real estate for gaming, video editing, and multitasking. The IPS panel is calibrated by LG, so you can be sure na vibrant and true ang mga colors na makikita nyo. Now, this monitor is equipped with nano IPS panel, and what that basically means is that this is an upgraded version of LG's IPS panels, which gives you a better response time and a much wider color gamut. So, mas marami kayong makikitang colors kasi mas malawak talaga yung color space niya. And alam nyo naman, ang IPS panels, they are very vibrant pagdating sa mga kulay. Here you can see a comparison between the LG Ultragear monitor, which has IPS panel, and itong isa is an Asus monitor na may VA panel. You can notice the difference in the colors. Ang IPS panels, yan ay preferred ng mga graphics designer, ng mga video editor like me kasi mas maganda talaga yung mga makukuha niyong kulay. It's just overall perfect. Now, this monitor is also HDR or high dynamic range capable, which just basically means that if you were to turn that on, it would give the monitor better colors, nagiging mas vibrant pa because it will boost the dynamic range, and also the highlights will stand out much more, lalo na kung yung mga pinapanood yung movies ay may mga madidilim na scenes, mas nagiging detailed yung mga mas madidilim na parts. Makikita nyo lang po ang HDR sa mga high-end monitors, so yes, high-end po ang LG Ultragear monitors, particularly this monitor. And of course, IPS panels are also known for having backlight bleeds. This is common for IPS monitors dahil they are just manufactured that way. Pero too much backlight bleeds are very concerning dahil they are a result of a manufacturing defect. However, hindi naman gaano meron tong monitor na to, which is good, and I am comfortable with the bleeds. This monitor right here is my first ever 2K resolution monitor. Sobrang na-enjoy ko siya lalo na sa panonood ng mga movies or just generally consuming media. Napakaganda niya. I have been playing and using 1080p monitors since I have been introduced to the wonders of personal computer, and since getting this 2K resolution monitor, I don't ever want to go back. This monitor also has an anti-glare surface, so kung yung setup mo is malapit sa isang light source or malapit sa window, hindi masyadong magre-reflect or hindi masyadong sharp yung reflection ng mga light na yun papunta sa mata mo. Ito ay isang 2K monitor or 1440p, delivering crisp and detailed visuals. Gaming in 2023, there are a lot of AAA games na optimized na sa 4K gaming resolution. So I feel like 2K resolution should be the base of gaming resolution, lalo na yung mga AAA games ay they largely focus on the graphics. Siyempre, mas makukuha mo yung full experience kapag 4K monitor. Pero 4K monitors, they require a graphics power of 3080, 3090, 3090 Ti, or even the 4000 series GPU cards, which are the 4080 to 4090. Kailangan talaga malakas ang graphics card power natin pag gagamit tayo ng 4K monitors. 2K monitors only require a minimum graphics power of 3060, 3070, or even the 2000 series RTX cards, which are the 2060s, 2080s. Yun, kayang-kaya pa rin yun. Mas may enjoy mo yung mga favorite AAA games mo kapag nilalaro mo siya sa 2K resolution kasi malalaman mo na yung mga details pala na kala mong wala dyan, nandyan pala. Meron din itong refresh rate na 165Hz and up to 180Hz kung i-overclock nyo. And also, alam naman natin na high refresh rates can result in ghosting. Pero thanks to the 1 millisecond response time na meron itong monitor na to, you can be sure na walang ghosting even if you maxed it out at 180Hz. Crisp pa rin yung mga individual letters and characters kapag nag-i-scroll kayo kung mahilig kayo magbasa ng mga forums and blogs. This monitor has all the time to react sa mga mababilis na bagay sa screen mo. This has an NVIDIA G-Sync, so kung meron kang NVIDIA graphics card, so you can enjoy a seamless gaming na hindi nag-i-screen tearing. And that is if you have an NVIDIA graphics card. The stand allows for height adjustment, tilt, and pivot, letting you choose the most comfortable viewing angle. Very smooth and very manageable siya kapag ina-adjust. Actually, maganda talaga yung quality ng stand na meron ito. Hindi katulad ng mga ibang stand ng ibang mga monitors, napakatigas nila. Hindi sila very manageable. Nakakatakot sila kapag ina-adjust mo sila kasi baka masira. The stand is pretty strong and pretty big for me. It takes a large space off of my table, so I'd rather put this on a monitor arm than use it as it is. And with thin bezels that is only 1/4 of an inch, this monitor is very ideal for a multi-monitor setup, tulad ng meron ako ngayon. Alam nyo naman na hindi perfect ang ganitong mga setup. There's always that black line that is the bane of every setup enthusiast's existence. For connectivity, you have two HDMI ports that supports up to 144Hz at 1440p and one 1.4 display port. This monitor was released back in 2021 and you may be thinking, bakit wala pa yung 2.0 display port? Well, this monitor is NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, which means ang target nilang mga consumer, people who have NVIDIA graphics card. And you know, NVIDIA graphics card yung 3000 series graphics card nila, which are the RTX 3060s, 3070s, 3080s, 3090s. Wala itong DisplayPort 2.0. Even the 4000 series wala pa rin. So, I don't know NVIDIA, what are we doing here? I don't know. Also, this monitor has two USB-A pass-throughs. I do enjoy extra two USB-A ports. Pwede siya sa pang-charge or pwede rin sa dongles. You also have a headphone out port which you can use to connect speakers or headphones if you are going to use this as your gaming console monitor. To access the control, you have a tiny button at the bottom center part of the monitor right here. You press it once and you can access the main menu for this monitor. We have the game mode, input and power off, and the settings in the center. Actually, you know what? I do enjoy the user interface na meron tong LG Ultragear ngayon. Napaka-intuitive niya, madali siya talaga naiintindihan, and also madali lang ang pag-navigate dun sa, all in all, dun sa user interface. So, +1 din dun. In game mode, you can easily cycle through different display modes with ease. We have Gamer 1, Gamer 2, FPS, RTS as a default. These are the adjustment that changes the contrast and luminosity for better visibility for different games. Sa settings, dun yung ma-access lahat ng features. We have the gamer modes, which has a total of 8 different modes for different preferences. We also have game adjust, where you can find the overclock setting, adaptive sync, black stabilizer, response time, crosshairs, and FPS counter. And the game reset, which resets all your saved changes. Sa response time, nung pinili ko yung faster, medyo nag-stutter yung screen. Hindi naman siya masyadong noticeable, pero napapansin ko talaga siya here and there. So, I like to keep it at fast option na lang para walang problema. You can also manually adjust the picture quality to your preference. This setting is completely up to you. This monitor also has smart energy savings, which saves energy using luminance compensation algorithm. In conclusion, the LG Ultragear 27-inch IPS panel 165 2K resolution monitor is an excellent choice for both gamers and professionals. With its fast refresh rate na pwede nyong i-overclock to 180Hz, vibrant and true colors, and crisp resolutions, it offers a superb viewing experience. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, a graphics designer, a video editor, a professional, or someone who just wants a high-quality monitor for daily use, I will suggest this LG monitor. I really enjoyed this monitor, lalo na sa pag-consume ng media and video editing. Napakaganda niya, and I felt like ang dami kong na-miss na mga small details or big details nung naglalago pa ako sa 1080p. This was such a great buy. That wraps up our review for the LG Ultragear IPS 165Hz 1440p monitor. As always, if you found value from this video, a like will be very appreciated, and subscribe na rin kayo to see more contents and reviews like this. Let us know in the comments below on what we should review next and what you think about this LG Ultragear monitor. And stay tuned for more tech reviews. Peace.